Welcome my people. Now na girl promise word don come out again. Another cocoa matter. This matter, so before we talk for the matter, Mona watch the video, Mona hear where the Reverend Father for the talker.
God bless you for telling everybody that you are not giving me a contract. And these are the three men we brought that were handling security for the country. They had the gadgets. In the China, they have the facilities. That was during the first administration. And they said they will help them in conquering insecurity. They had the platform to end insecurity in this country under 1 month. Under Abakiari, I just handed them over to the government people. They denied them of this. I don't even know these people. They just came to Enugu and said, can I help them reach the government? That the level of insecurity in this country and how Nigeria have been shipping their oil out, refining them and bringing them back, that we are losing, that they have all it takes to revive the oil apparatus in the country and get the whole youths employed. And the issue of killing and insecurity will die. These are the three people they rejected their offer, since they know how to talk. Am I begging them? Do you know how many people I feed? To the glory of God, since they want to hear, even without them giving me money, I don't beg them. As I said, I put my hands on the altar and told everybody, I don't have their number. Fortunately, they reported that they denied me of the contract. Which contract? Under Abakiario.
This Reverend Father, so whenever talk this talk, they not suspend them. No, they don't suspend the Reverend Father. It's when they talk this word now. Buhari government don't suspend them. After they say the country na democracy country. How could they be a democracy country when we say you know if you talk with it your mind, you know if you talk what you want, you know if you talk what they happen for the country, the bad thing they do. If you talk, I tell you be bad person. If you talk and you talk that the carry politics, they turn you up at that because you talk, say the government, know they do the right thing. Those are they do politics, they find you up at find the person up at them just because they talk the government, know they do the right thing. You don't need this part of they talk say now this government that make Buhari resign, make Buhari resign, make another person enter. So this man they talk and now they suspend that Timothy concern church collect politics. Okay, person go to church now. All these person when they join them, they never say they don't suspend them since so. This pastor when they talk any for altar, they say Buhari will vote, Buhari will the second man will be number first. They never give that person resign letter. They never give that person suspend letter. But this pastor, because he can't talk now, say, Buhari know they do well. What is he supposed to do this country? 3 things supposed to do for people, all this band, all this thing. They not do one. Every time they can't give a suspend letter for church. It's not a church. Because we are not what you concern church now, concern politics. But everything don't talk to politics for Nigeria. Who talk na problem? If you talk na problem, if you not talk na problem. I don't know what is this country, this Nigeria, so one for people when they for that country. What they say make they do. We say no, they don't give this person now. This pastor, no. They don't give a suspend letter. Just suspend now for church. I mean, not they preach for altar again. Just because they talk. Say that and go to this pastor. If you read this thing and not true, one of the have like one another he list one on the year. One of the fight for waiting not make sense. They will carry what you go to fire for abroad. The not is such thing. What if they say they know say this thing so they go do and everybody go benefit for that. They don't agree that they won't make out everybody within that country useless. Both the youth, both the boys, both the girls, both the children when they're born, how that they go they useless. And what that country now what they want because this life what they talk about Nigeria go fit put life for that country within one hour. They don't put life for the full country. Let them go the off. Within 1 hour, they feel give everybody for that country job. We will all this know what they have about this kidnapping. All the people when they kidnap, so if they put that refinery for their person in Nigeria get oil, everybody they where they busy. Who can't get time to say you want kidnap the fellow human being? Who can't get time to say who can't get time to say you want use the fellow human being for money ritual? Who can't get time to say you want go kill person? Who can't get time to say you want go rape people or person picking? Who can't get that time to say if everybody they busy, everybody they get job? Or the way they pay the citizens, they just fit do all this thing, no. But they want make everybody when that country useless. May they not know it. Hospital will not get. Hospital will say they feel put hospital for within one month. They don't mark hospital full everywhere for free. Who they work or they remove them for a salary? They put no who the pick they go treat them for credit later. They go they pay. They go fit do that, but Nigeria not agree do one. The useless government we say they don't go school, they don't know what to be left and right. They don't fit do one. They come on and because they don't get money, they go abroad go receive treatment. But they not go think say this way they go receive for abroad, so they fit do one for their country. This treatment they go do when they don't go do for abroad, they go spend money for abroad. They fit do one for their country. They treat themselves for their country. They know the reason that one, but they don't want everybody when that country you're useless for no reason. So this man and I don't suspect that because he talk his mind now for that Nigeria so. But when you support Buhari, say Buhari will win. Buhari come visit them, lay down, pray, lay down for altar, they pray for them. Anybody when to say will win for them win, but when you come to say that Buhari know they do well for the country so every day killing, every day the don't know say they won't suspend them for church. Anyway, anything one are written for this matter. So what I get to talk for this matter be this one because the Nigeria people they are very annoying. Not only God will save your children for that Nigeria so. I even went there for Nigeria, I really give them kudos and they really try 100% trying. Anyone that is for this matter, gonna leave her for the comment section. This matter, someone I want to talk about so he wake me on he shake my head. He shake my head. Now this cost to maybe say I watch my video for Channel TV that they say the customer they say they pull people they carry illegal goods they pass border. People they carry illegal goods goods will not good they pass border. People they do. But if I watch this video when I want show now so when I see they collect 5,000 for people when they carry goods they pass border they collect money for their hands for 5,000. They make more than 1 million for there for a day when they collect for a month. Why did they collect money for their hand in the past? Okay, if I look the video for I talk for the matter. When I look the video.
You go to film up. Film up. What they do at how? Kuma su sallama ba ku tambaye su. Aya, dile. Que se caballo.
When I see the video, when I see that they collect money for them, you know see things when they carry. When I see things when all these people they carry, they pass the border. When customs they collect 5,000, they don't even what they don't even bother to say me they search what they carry, when they upload everything, they search them. Nobody saw they carry gun, bomb, all this they go to give Boko Haram. They don't collect 5,000, how they all don't finish. They don't collect 5,000, everything don't finish. But they will carry bomb or gun or everything, they kind of cross border. But people when they carry things from abroad, they carry rice, they carry tomatoes, beans, they go seize all that one goods, they carry car, they will seize all that one goods, they illegal goods. But all these ones when they carry use motor, they carry gun, everything. When we say they will collect 5,000 for their hand fee, they go pass. They no go search wetin they carry. You know, see the answer there. They no go find wetin they no go just look wetin they carry. No concern at the money na your concern dey. Later they come out for Chinese TV. They talk say, they carry illegal goods. They enter now. We seize 1.8 million. We seize how many million goods. We seize how many bag of rice. We seize how many bag of oil. Now that one they see. But the ones who be say they did the neighbor that when they collect 1,000, collect 5,000, 10,000, take the left go they pass. They no go check what the other one carry. They no go seize all that goods. But they collect money. Don't collect money. Put don't finish. So now what I say, man, now what I get to talk for this matter. Mona share the video. I beg. Mona leave on a comment for the comment section. This matter with me, the kind of frustration when they frustrate people for that Nigeria, our country, is just too much. This matter is what I want to talk about when it happened for Baptist Academic School for JAMB. I don't know why Nigeria people now the poor people when we say they see they manage like they see they collect money from. Imagine JAMB what they do for 3,500. This man they collect 8,000 for their hand. And when they come to interview them, how much you collect for the JAMB, it tells you now 4,700. Imagine, and for the school so now for 3,500 they collect for JAMB. But this one now for the poor people, the poor parents who don't suffer, the one make their pikin go school. The one make their pikin go school. This man now, this schools this man bring the student come school now, make they call this Baptist school now, make they call right JAMB. But he collect 8,000 for their hand. But they say ask the man, and the man see they lie. Say now for even the people man say now 4,700 you collect for you. Why you go collect 4,700 for their hand for the first time? JAMB when they write 3,500. You see with Nigeria, who say Nigeria no suffer here, suffer when full Nigeria. If work they pay teachers well. What they concern this teacher now? Concern all these people. What they concern teacher? Concern all these ones when they happen. What they concern teachers? If that school really good, if that's everything good, get well for that Nigeria. Nothing concern teacher, concern all these things. All these small ways they collect for poor people hand. The same poor people hand don't know what they collect money. Everybody they oppress each other, oppress everybody for the country. Government will oppress, teacher will oppress, students will oppress, mama, papa, everybody just they oppress each other for that country. This woman son now, this get mama now, you know he take suffer get that 8,000 naira. You know when you go borrow and when they give you so, when they give pikin when you give it pikin so make carry come school go write exam. Money when that woman now they write JAMB for 2 children and now you collect so. Yeah? But now you collect so you see the lie put say see the lie Jonah say the na 4,700 now you collect John when they write for 3,500. You would talk and you they lie you would see the naira. What you already agree for before you the naira. Mona watch video, mona see wetin they talk about. What did they happen for that Nigeria when they oppress each other up and down so. Mona watch video.
You are from
Baptist Girls Academy.
Baptist Girls
Academy.
How much did you pay for JAMB in your school?
8,000.
8,000. Do you hear it? 8,000 for JAMB that we are collecting 3,500. You are the teacher. You brought your candidate. Listen. You brought your candidate. Yes, I'm the registrar of JAMB.
I know.
Yes. How much? Wait. How much did your school collect from this candidate for JAMB?
4,700. Huh? 4,700. 4,700.
How much did you collect for them for JAMB?
4,700.
You collected it.
Yes.
Wait, you collect. I have the facts. You say okay. Do you hear me? You actually collected 8,000.
Yes, sir. No.
So why?
No.
What do you?
We not.
How much did you collect?
4,700.
I say you collect. I'm now telling you that I'm in position. Which school?
Baptist Girls
Okay,
Academy.
come. Just stay here. Who is from Baptist Girls Academy? Come. Wait. How much did your parents pay for JAMB?
8,000.
8,000.
Oh yeah,
Oga. Oh yeah, talk. Oh yeah. Oh, you're talking.
Let me talk.
He quietly telling, you see, he was telling her for.
Now don't watch the videos. Now don't watch this man. You see this man in the head. You see him? They extort money for parents, for student hands. They don't say they won't write jam. And I carry they go this Baptist school. Now I carry they go this Baptist academy school for jam. You see him? This teacher. This one will see get work from children for us. You cheat parents. Now some person will see cheat your own too. They stress parents. When I leave, anything when I talk about this matter, when I leave for the comment section, when I the cocoa matter, when I can't give you today, I be this one. If I like what I do, when I comment, like, and subscribe. When I leave now, comment for the comment section. I bet when let me share this video for the cocoa matter. Okay, when they I will bring cocoa news, cocoa matter when they on board, they come for now. More they do their proco inside, more they choke our mouth inside. Because these people, they need to change, but this is a bad behavior when they do so. And I thank you for subscribe. Thank you for my old subscriber. Thank you for my people when they watch me. Thank you when they watch me. When I stay tuned for the cocoa matter.